Okay. Next is feet. Penguin's feet. Yes. Very nice. All of you are having your materials, right? Okay, fine. Then we'll start our session. Children, stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mavisha. Yes, come on, stand up. Who's going to say Kidsy Anthem today? Who will say Kidsy Anthem today, children? Who's going to say? Who will say?
Yeah.
Who,
Yeah.
Mahirni? Okay, come on, Mahirni. Kidsy Anthem.
Yeah.
Mm. You
What?
are within.
Right.
Yes, Mahirni will say, Darshan, mute yourself, ma. You are within me. Mm. You are infinite.
What is the night?
You are unique. My potential inside.
What is inside?
Next. You are the wings.
What the wings?
Mm.
Green and white.
Mm.
You define me.
Mm.
My potential inside.
Mm.
Today I
Today
just
I. Mm.
all my bike.
Mm.
I shall achieve my
Mm.
potential inside.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning to everyone, children. Very, 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 very good morning. Okay. So before that session, parents, I would like to ask you to take worksheet number 112 CT. Okay. So there are some cutouts that you have to cut and keep it ready for today's worksheet. So by the time we finish our attendance and rhymes time, take worksheet number 112 CT. You will have a snowman there and you have some parts also, that scarf, hand and all you will be having. You have to cut all those parts and keep it ready. Okay, by the time we'll finish other activities. Okay. So children, now next we are going to continue with our activity. And first I'm going to write colors. Okay, you are going to find what color I am writing and you are going to bring the materials accordingly. Okay. So first color ma'am is going to write is RED. What is RED? What color is RED? Red. Very good, children. Come on, go bring red color objects. Go bring red color objects. Very good, children. Come on. Red color objects. Very nice hat, Varsha. Red color. Good. Red color pouch. Bucket. Bag. Toy. Soft toy. What is that? Is that pomegranate? Good. And then pencil. Yeah. Pomegranate only I saw. And then red color pencil. Again, a box or a toy, something. Okay, fine. Candy cup. What is that candy cup? Keshav? What is that?
Candy cup.
Candy cup is a painter.
Toothpaste. Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Okay, fine. Okay, then snacks box lid. Okay, fine. Next color. Okay. Next color. BLUE. B. What color is this? Blue. Very good. Blue. 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 Very good. Blue. Light blue or dark blue, whatever it is. Blue. Well done. Pencil box, chart, and then a binocular. Then again a soft toy, hazel, Fevicol lid. Okay, very good, Tarneshwar. And then blue color, Keshav. It's a snacks box lid. Okay.
Yeah.
Towel, blue color towel. What is that, Vihan? What is that, Vihan? Ha ha ha. Why did you switch off your camera?
Instead of mic,
Stapler, okay,
Stapler.
stapler. Okay, and then blue color pencil. Cap, very nice, Dashwan, cap. Okay, very good. Next color, okay? Next color is uh, uh.
என்ன கலர் சொன்னீங்க?
Uh. What is that color that starts with O? Orange. Very good. Orange. Come on, orange. Orange. Fevicol itself, you have orange. Very good. Yes, Jason, orange. Orange. Orange notebook, Fevicol. And then what else you have?
Stick.
கார்த்திக்.
Some toy. I don't know what is that. Water bottle cap. Orange fruit.
Don't give me more, sir.
Orange pencil box. Color pencil. Comb. Very good. Building blocks. Good.
Orange.
Orange tiger. Yesterday also you showed the same thing, right, Vihan? Okay, fine. Next color. Okay. Yes. What is that,
Sheep.
Madashwan?
Sheep.
Huh?
Sheep.
That's what comb I said. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, next color. Okay. Next is g g g g
Orange.
g g
Green.
green. Very good. G g
Orange.
green. Yeah, I saw Makeshav. Next color. G g green. Very good. G g green. Very good. Green color auto. Workbook. Some flower Vasha has done. Okay, good.
உட்கார்ந்து காமி.
Soap. Good. And then ball, cucumber, pencil box, color pencil, green color chart. Is that a chart, Jason? What is that? I think it's a chart only. Okay, fine. And then again green, yeah, chart. Green color crayon. Very good. Well done. Okay, next color, next color. Okay, very good children. Green over. Okay, next is yeah,
Lamp.
yeah, very good, ma. Leaves. Green color leaves. Yeah, yeah,
Yellow.
yeah, yeah.
Yellow.
What is that? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Y. What color starts with Y? Yellow. Yeah, yeah, yellow. Very good. Yellow. Yellow color.
Yellow
What is that? Yellow paper. Very good.
Man
Yellow
bag.
box. Yellow minion box. Very good. Yellow lemon. Yellow bucket. Yellow color pencil. Fevistick lid. Okay, Fevistick cap. Yellow color. Bus.
Man.
Bus or van? What is that? Bus. Okay, yellow bus. Yellow banana. Very good. And then what else in yellow? Sukriv Gautam. Yellow. Yellow color car. Jason. Very good.
Cheetah.
Yellow color cheetah. Very good, Vihan. Again, Fevistick cap. Yellow color. Very good. Fine. Good, good, good. One more color. Okay.
நம்ம எழுதுறாங்க.
V. What is this? Anyone? Yesterday we colored this, right? What is this? V. White, that is W. White. This is V. Drive big swan round the village. Violet. Yeah, very good. Violet. Yeah, very good.
Man.
Violet scissor, violet shawl, violet bottle. Yeah, violet. Violet color crayon. Good. Violet toy. Yeah, good. Violet again crayon. Violet bottle.
Bottle, ma'am.
Yeah, bottle I saw. Violet. Very good. Violet color brinjal. Wow. Good. Violet. Very good, children. Wonderful. Okay, now come on, all of you sit in your places. Let's finish our attendance. Come on, sit in your places. Very good, children. Dashwan. Dashwan.
Here
What
I
you
am,
should
ma'am.
say? Here I am. Hip
Ma'am.
hip hooray.
With
Here I am.
the
Hip hip hooray. Hazel. Yeah, thank you, ma. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason.
Here I am, ma'am.
Hmm. Very good, Jason. Kavi Kartika. Absent. Keshav. Keshav. Keshav.
Yeah.
Very good, Keshav. Mahirni.
Hmm.
Here I am.
Hmm.
Hooray.
Very good, Mahirni. Radyarni. Radyarni. Here I am. Hip hip hooray. Radyarni.
Here I am, hooray.
Hip hip hooray.
Yes, hooray.
Very good. Sara. Absent. Ananya. Ananya.
It's hooray.
Very good, Ananya. Taruneshwar.
It's hooray.
Here I am.
Ma'am, it is
Hmm.
hooray.
Very good. Next, Sukriv Gautam.
Yeah, it's hooray.
Very good. Varsha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Varsha. Hmm. Then, hip hip
Hip, hip, hooray.
hooray. Very good. Visha.
Hip, hip, hooray.
Here I am.
Here I am. Hip,
Ah,
hip, hooray.
very good. Vihan. Vihan.
Hip, hip, hooray.
Very good, children. Wonderful. Okay, what was the season yesterday we learned? Yesterday, what season did we learn?
Mama, Satan.
Summer season. Very good, Visha. Well done. Yesterday we learnt about summer season. Okay. And today we are going to learn about winter season. So before going to the concept, before going to the concept, I'll introduce a new rhyme today. Okay. That is regarding seasons. Okay. Listen carefully. Okay. It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. Okay, in the sun we play means what season is that? That is summer season. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade. Lemonade means what is lemonade, children? Lemonade is lemon juice. Okay, it's so hot is summer season. So this rhyme is regarding summer season. Okay, it's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. Okay, one more time. It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. In the sun means you will go out and play. Okay, in the sun we play. If it is hot, it is not that you should not go out and play. You can go out and play, but drink lot and lots of water. So this is the rhyme regarding summer season. Now we'll move on to our concept, children. Okay. Okay, now tell me how the summer season will be. Will it be hot or will it be cold? How it will be? How it will be? Hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot or cold இருக்குமா? Cool இருக்குமா? Hot இருக்குமா?
Hot.
Yeah, hot. That is only summer season. Okay. During summer, you will sweat a lot. நிறைய வேர்க்கும். Okay. For that only, you should drink lot and lots of water. And you should wear cotton dress. Okay. What type of dresses you should wear? You should wear cotton dresses and wear a cap and go. Okay. Yeah, wear a cap and go wherever you go outside and drink lots of water. And where we like to go? We like to go to beach to play in water. Okay. And then what are the fruits that are mostly available in summer? Watermelon, tender coconut, mango. Okay, watermelon, tender coconut, mango. Okay, these are the fruits that are mostly available in summer season. And our next season is winter season. Yes, winter season. What is winter season? Another winter season means it will be very cool. It will not be hot. It will be very cool. ரொம்ப குளிரும் you will wear woolen clothes like sweaters and this cap and all woolen caps and all you will wear to avoid that chillness. Okay. So winter season you can see here snowfall. Can you see the snowfall here? So winter season you can see snowfall. And then what type of clothes you should wear? You should wear woolen clothes in winter, not cotton clothes, children. Cotton clothes only during summer. But what type of clothes you will wear? What type of clothes you will wear in winter season? Woolen clothes, that is sweater, jerkin and all. Yeah, woolen clothes, okay? And then what type of food we used to eat? We used to have food which is very hot. We will not eat very cold food because the climate itself is very cold. So what you should do? You should eat all the food very hot only. Okay. So hot soup, hot coffee, hot milk or hot water. Water also you should not take water from the fridge and drink children. You should drink hot water. Then only you will not catch cold during winter season. Okay. So winter season is a very cold season. Yes. And here you can see in winter you can see snowfall. And we wear woolen clothes in winter. And we should have hot food like hot soup, hot milk, hot coffee, hot water. Like that we should have hot food. Okay. So that you will not catch cold very easily. Okay, children. Now all of you take your worksheets. Take your snowman worksheet, children. Write today's date. Today's date is 4 1 2 22. 4 1 2 22.
Ma'am, page number, please.
112 CT.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope everyone is ready with the cutouts. Yes. First, stick the cap, children. You have the cap here, woolen cap. First, take the cap and stick it on the head of the snowman. Here. Here you stick the cap. Take a Fevicol or Fevistick. First, take the cap part, that is the woolen cap, okay? And stick it on the head of the snowman. Yes, next take the scarf, woolen scarf. This one. First woolen cap, this one. And next scarf. This you have to stick it in the neck part, children. Here. Here in the neck part. Here you have to stick the scarf. And then this gloves, woolen gloves. That is the mittens, okay? Take these mittens and stick it here in the hands. You have two hands for snowman, right? There you stick those mittens here. Finish the sticking? Finished. Let me see your worksheets. How you have sticked it. Woolen cap, car, and the mittens. Very nice, Hazel. Good. Yes, Visha. Yes, very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam, very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Jason, finished? Taruneshwar, very nice. Yeah, good. Those are finished. Take your craft material. Take your craft material.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kavi Kartika. Take your craft material, ma. Everyone, those are finished. Yes. First, you have this circle, right? Children, you yourself do it, children. You have this circle, right? First, fold the circle into half like this. Just fold it into two like this. The full circle, fold it like this. Yeah, very good. And then crease it. This is the first step. Finished. And now you have this oval part, right? This oval part, you stick it in this circle. This half side, you stick it at the back of this oval shape. Apply some Fevicol and then stick it. Like this it will be if you stick it. Yes? Half part you have to stick it, children. That half part we have folded, right? That half part alone you have to stick it. Applying glue, your parents can do, children. Otherwise, you will make your hands dirty. You just stick it. Let your parents apply glue for you, okay? Stick it. Now it will be like this. Let it dry. Okay? Nicely press it. See, the open part should be down. Don't stick it ulta, okay? Should be down here. Then only if you keep the penguin, it will shake like this. Then only it will stand. can make the penguin stand like this. Finished? Now next you have this white part. Yeah, take the white part and stick it here. Take the white part and stick it. Where is your craft material, Kavi Kartika? Why are you playing? Yesterday I have sent message also, right? Where is your craft material? Huh? Yes. Finished sticking this. Then the eyes part. You have two eyes, right? Stick two eyes. Yes, after sticking this white part, stick the eyes. Finished? And next will be the beak, mouth. Okay? Yeah? Beak. After sticking two eyes, stick the beak part. You didn't stick eyes, Jason. Where is the eyes part? Stick the eyes first. And next, we are going to stick these wings. Here this white part you have stick, right children? In that itself you can insert these wings because back if you stick it, it will fall down. So this white part center la gap irukkum. So there if you stick it, it will go inside. Yes? Don't apply more glue, then it will take time for drying. So just apply little and just stick it. Children. First eyes, then beak, and then two wings. And next will be the feet. Yes, finished. Maximum try to do it on your own, children.
இங்க இருக்கு பாரு, இங்க பாரு. லெக் எங்க? லெஃப்ட் லெக், ரைட் லெக், இந்த கார்னர்ல.
Here, down. Legs, wings.
இது இந்த லெக். இந்த லெக், இந்த சைடு. வெரி குட். அப்புறம் விங்ஸ். விங்ஸ் பாரு எங்க இருக்கு.
Finish. Yeah. Now we have stick this circle, right? Yes, open like this. Widely open like this and keep it on the table. Your penguin will stand and then it will shake. Yes? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Like this it will stand.
Finish, ma'am.
And then it will shake also in air. Yes? Can you see my penguin shaking? Yes? You shake like this, it will shake. Right? Yes, is it shaking? Very good, Vihan. But green color penguin now only I am seeing. Huh?
Lack of effort.
Chip.
No, Ananya, you have to see here. You have this flap, right? Yeah. Keep the flap on the table. Make it stand. Don't make it lie down. Yes? Yeah, very good, Taruneshwar. Come on, Sukri Gautam, keep it on the table. Let's see whether it is shaking. See, this is like stand, children. This circle we have sticked, right? This is like a stand.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. If it is not standing also, you can just adjust this back part, this flap part. Like it should touch the ground. This flap part should touch the ground. Then only your penguin will stand. Otherwise, it will lie down. Very good. Yeah, good ma. That's one good. Hazel, very nice, Hazel. Good, Visha. Yes, good, Visha. Yes, very nice, Sukri Gautam. Okay. Now you have this white part here, right? Here you are going to write your name. Your name. Okay, the starting letter should be in capital letter. Rest of the letters should be in small letters. Okay. First letter. For example, Hazel means H should be in capital letter. A, Z, E, L. All the other letters should be in small letters. Okay. Always when you write your name, it should always start with the capital letter, children. Don't write your name starting with a small letter. Okay. Parents, after the session, along with this penguin, take a snap and send it in group. Very nice, Keshav. Write your name. Finish writing your name? Yes, Jason. Very nice. Finished. Very good. Keshav. Hazel. Very good, children. Well done. Why we did penguin, children? Anyone knows why we did penguin craft today? Why we did penguin craft? Actually, we thought of doing snowman, but we already did it for Christmas, right? So we are doing penguin. Why? Because penguin lives in snowy region, cold places. Okay, so that only we made penguin. Okay, over. Finished writing your name. After the session, parents, please take a snap along with the craft they have done and send it in group.
Ma, finish.
Jason, Kavi Kartika, yesterday Dashwan. Are you all ready for talk time today? Jason, are you ready for talk time?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Kavi Kartika, are you ready for
Ready.
talk time? Okay, fine. First, Jason will finish. Finish, children. Keep your craft aside. Yes, first, Jason is going to talk about land pollution, Jason's mom. So, land transporter, water transport. Ready? All of you keep your craft down. Listen what Jason is going to speak.
Ma'am, I'll share the screen, ma'am. I haven't
Yeah.
prepared a PPT. It's a video I have muted and he'll do, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine. No problem. Children, the way you should start your talk time is, hi friends or hello friends, my name is, this is your name. I'm going to talk about the topic what you are going to talk. Okay, I'm going to talk about the water transport. I'm going to talk about land transport. Like that you have to start. Okay? Yeah, come on. Ready, ma, Jason?
Screen down பண்ணுமா?
Share பண்றேம்மா, wait பண்ணுமா.
இன்னொன்னு down பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லலாமா? Without my இன்னொன்னு ma'am சேர்த்து
If Jason's screen is not visible, you can pin Jennifer Tobias.
Oh.
அது பாருங்கடா, இங்க பாருங்க.
Yeah, all of you mute yourself, children, including myself.
Vote பண்ணலாம், நீ first start பண்ணு. Hello சொல்லு.
Hello everyone.
Snow.
Yeah.
சொல்லு first இருந்து.
Hello everyone.
Hello
I
everyone.
am
I'm going to talk about
Jason. I was doing the boat. Trying to boat in the water.
Water transportation.
Water transportation. Water or what is that?
ஒழுங்கா பேசு. What is?
Water
ம்
is
ம்
water. Water is
Jason, what is water transportation?
water is water transportation.
It is.
It is
Mm.
moving boat,
Moving through
moving through
human.
human
Mm.
onion,
Mm.
dust over one plate to other plate.
First.
What?
Mm.
Tube,
Sail.
sailboat,
Mm. Sailboat.
sailboat. Directed the wind.
Direction of wind.
Direction of wind. Fish boat. Fishing boat. Oh, systematic grab the fishes from water. Speedboat. Speedboat faster or every boat in.
Faster than
Faster than
any
any boat. Robot.
Mm.
Use it.
Horse.
Use a horse to move mountains. Robot. Robot jumping down the tree. Mary, 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 Mary. Why that? Saturn. Green. Why did the green? Hello. You did? Father. Water shooter.
Mm.
The right.
That's right.
The bike. The motorbike.
Mm.
Submarine.
Mm.
Submarine is no people came out. The table is going underwater. Cruises.
Mm.
For Satan.
Vacation.
Satan.
Vacation.
Thank you.
Yes, very good. Well done, Jason. Children, clap hands for Jason. Very good. Well done. Super. Okay, next is Dashwan. Come on, Dashwan.
And talk about the sun whaler.
I am Dashwan Velan.
And talk about and transportation. The shares or bike, car, auto, bus, ambulance, and transportation. Petrol, gas, diesel, potassium. One place to another place. All the ma'am.
Very good. Say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Well done. Clap hands for Dashwan. Good. Okay, next is Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Hmm.
I am talk about
Hmm.
what and for
Hmm.
what the time.
Hmm.
Movie, people, and good. One place to another place. Go, keep, what about water, grass, and lake.
Hmm. That's all, huh?
That's enough. English, ma'am.
Huh?
Finish,
English?
ma'am.
Finished. Very good. Children, I request all of you to take maximum time. If you are not ready, you can tell me that you are not ready at that time. We can postpone your date or we can schedule your date later also. But you have to prepare it on your own. None of your parents are not going to repeat the dialogues for you. Okay, you yourself should slowly try to say, which will increase your vocabulary skill. Okay, children, don't expect your parents to repeat for you. I want everyone to tell on your own. Just you remember it, recall it, and then you say. I request all of you, because talk time is scheduled mainly for vocabulary skill. So please, children, don't repeat what your parents say. You just listen what they are saying, learn it, and then you present during the talk time. ஓகேவா? நல்லா படிச்சுட்டு உங்களுக்கு நல்லா தரோவா இருந்தா டாக் டைம்ல சொல்லணும். அம்மா சொல்றாங்க அப்பா சொல்றாங்கன்னா திருப்பி திருப்பி ரிப்பீட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. தட் வில் நாட் இன்க்ரீஸ் யுவர் லேர்னிங் ஸ்கில். ஓகேவா? இஃப் யூ ஆர் நாட் ரெடி, எனக்கு தெரியல மேம், எனக்கு சொல்ல தெரியலனா யூ கேன் இன்ஃபார்ம் மேம். மேம் வில் ஷெட்யூல் யுவர் டேட். உங்களோட டேட்டை வேற ஒரு நாளுக்கு கூட வைக்கலாம். ஓகே. ஸோ டுமாரோஸ் டாக் டைம், ஹூஸ் டாக் டைம் இஸ் டுமாரோ? டுமாரோ 5th. Vihan.
My topic, ma'am.
That's it, right? Yeah, only Vihan, I think. Vihan alone is going to do talk time today, tomorrow. Okay. So be ready tomorrow, Vihan. You have to speak clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next, all of you take your math worksheet, children. Worksheet number D111 MT. D111 MT. And the number is 8181, 8282. We have already finished till 8080, right? So today we are going to write number 8181 and 8282. Write today's date. Today's date is 4-1-2222 and the day is Tuesday. So how will you count this, children? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and one bead is here. 81. After 80, you get 81. 81, 81. And next is peace. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. First, you have to rote count and then only continue with your worksheet, children. I request all the parents to ask your children to count first and then only they should write. By this way only they will be clear with rote counting. 80 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வருதுன்னே தெரியல மேம். 60 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வருதுன்னே தெரியல மேம். All these complaints why they are raising is why? Because they are straight away starting to write the numbers. They are not at all rote counting. When you count and write only, it will get recorded in your mind, children. Come on, count and then only you should write. I must not see one of you without counting. Everyone should count and then only you should write. Strike it out and count it. And then continue to write. While writing also, you should spell and write. 8, 1, 81. 8, 1, 81. Like that, spell and write, children. Only by spelling out and writing it, you can remember the numbers, children. By rote counting, only you can remember the numbers till 100. After numbers and all, you can remember. So please count it, strike it out and count it, and then you write. Next year, you will be going to senior KG. At that time, no one will ask you to strike it out and count. You yourself should do it. Here, junior KG itself, you should learn. Whenever, whoever is asking you to count, strike it out and count. You know, group of tens means 10, 20, 13, count pananum. And then only you should write. Spell and write. 8181. If you are writing number 82, 8282. And when ma'am is asking you to write any number, write 67, na, you will know. 6767. And the மாதிரி தெரியும். Otherwise, you will not know.
You finished no last.
81, 82 finish, Mahirni.
81 தானே finish பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. 82 finish.
82, very good girl, Mahirni. Today in good mood, I think. டெய்லி கிராஃப்ட் பண்ணா நல்ல மூட்ல இருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வெரி குட் மா ஹேசல், வெரி குட் கேர்ள். Yeah, I'll be back, children. One. Yes, for tomorrow's activity, parents, like this, you will have in your home. Jalli karandin solvo, you will have in your home. Along with this, you would need a woolen thread. So two materials, this spatula and another woolen thread, any color woolen thread. Yes. Two materials for tomorrow's activity. Now itself I am telling you, I can't send it in group, so I am showing you. This one everyone will have in your home, and then woolen thread, whatever color you have in your home you can use it, or else we'll tie that flowers and all, no, that type of thread also if you have you can use it. You need not buy a new one. Yes, understood. Yes, very good. Very good, Kavikartika. Very good, Visha. Yes, very good. Now I want all of you to go bring this type of karandi from your home and show it to me. Then only tomorrow you will not forget. Come on, go inside and bring this type. It will have holes inside, children. Holes in it. Everyone bring and show it to me. Very good, Hazel. Yeah, be ready with that tomorrow along with the woolen thread, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Yes, Dashwan, correct, good.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Visha, correct. Good, ma, Kavi Kartika, I saw your worksheet, good. Yes, Jason, correct, Jason. Oh, two, one is enough, no need of two. One is enough. Be ready with the woolen thread also. Very good, Ananya, Varsha. Mahini, Mahini. இந்த மாதிரி உங்க வீட்ல இருந்தா எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். Yes, very good, Sukriv Gautam, I saw. So tomorrow we'll be doing it before starting our session. So I request everyone to join in time, okay? Yeah, correct, Mama Mahini. Good. Very good. So thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Yes, bye, children. Bye, children. Yes, bye, ma. Bye, children.